We're out here and doing a design feature inspection of some DUO Sealands that we inherited several years ago from Savannah River site, and we have to check those periodically to make sure they don't have any water intrusion, or that's the Sealands themselves that are the design feature. We make sure no water intrusion, no way anything can be getting into them. I'm a big fan of doing things with drones versus putting people in harm's way up on ladders or ball yards or any of that. The fact that we're getting up there and really getting a better inspection. We only had to check 2 spots when we did them manually off of a ladder, and we get a way better inspection this way. It's faster, and we have a record of what we've done this way, other than just having a paper record. It's UCOR's mission, it's also our mission here, is to keep our employees as safe as we possibly can. We always say slow is fast, and so we are always questioning new ways to do things that could be a little less hazardous. We know if something happens, if there's an accident and somebody gets hurt, it definitely slows down progress. So it kind of fits in with our whole slow is fast mentality.